Mair's hot chicken from the dry spice is here. I'm here with this recipe. It's all gonna go in the air fryer. It's gonna be so easy. In 45 minutes, we will have the hottest, delicious chicken. We have a whole chicken right here going on. Why I have a chicken into pieces? Because I want to tell you guys, if you want to use just the chicken legs, you can definitely use the same recipe. Or if you want just the white meat, the chicken breast, you can definitely use that as well. For example, I have all the legs for the chicken or even thighs. We all know, just make some deep cuts on it. Just leave ½ inch of a space in between and get the cut to the bone at the back as well. It's gonna flavor our meat all the way deep to the bone. This is how it's gonna look. Let's land this here. It's a whole chicken breast right here. It has the bone. If you get just the boneless fillet, you can definitely use the same recipe on it. All right, we'll grab our breast. See, this is the breast. We'll make the cuts just like that. On this guy, just like that. Okay, so we go just like this, deep cuts. ½ inch to ¼ inch space in between. Air fryer recipe, man. It's easy, it's healthy, it's flavorful, just like this. You guys see? Yes, sir. It's all these ingredients. You guys see, this is 9-ingredient recipe. For the seasoning, first thing we will need at least 2 tablespoons. You guys see, tablespoon of meat tenderizer on top of this meat. Okay, 1 whole tablespoon or teaspoon. This is a smaller one, so this is a teaspoon. 1 whole. You guys see, I have measured it already. This is red chili powder. Since it's a hot chicken, my friend, you have to eat hot food sometimes, you know. This is paprika. We will take 2 teaspoons right here on top of the chicken. Look at here, white pepper powder. And man, it's a hot chicken, my friend. Here you go. Black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons. This is freshly grounded. You guys see, this is freshly grounded right here. Take garlic powder, at least I would say 3 tablespoons. And this is the third. You can use granulated garlic in here as well if you want to. All right, I'm using kosher salt, 1 and 2. ½ baking cup of, I'm using vegetable oil. So ½ baking cup of vegetable oil. It goes right here. If you want to just make the chicken without citrusy flavor, this is the perfect recipe. 9 ingredients right here. If you want to add a little bit citrus touch to it, because hot comes with the citrus flavor, right? So you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or tablespoon, or 1 teaspoon of vinegar as well. I'm using white distilled vinegar. And just, all right, the magic. Let's just rub this marinade. You guys see, these are not too many spices, but it will be spicy chicken recipe. Same thing, very easy. Massage it all on top of it. Make sure you guys see it's natural. The red chilies, they are giving the red color to it. So massage this at least for 5 minutes, just from your hands. Yes, of course. This is how it's gonna look. You guys see the color and everything, all the spices on top. Yes, my friend, for the air fry recipe, it's gonna stay, all these seasonings, they're gonna stay on top of it. Okay, we are done with the marinade. Remove these gloves. Air fryer, okay? Power on, put it on air crisp. This is Ninja version. If you guys have any kind, check the temperature and check the timing. We'll put the temperature 300 Fahrenheit, okay? Time, my friend, it's gonna be 45 minutes. See, we are not rushing it. We want our chicken to be cooked, right? It's on the preheat. It's gonna take maybe 2 minutes on the preheat until this, my beautiful Ninja's air fryer get ready. Air fryer is ready. Let's grab our chicken breast half of it and just land it right here. You know, look at this, looking beautiful, huh? Another half, let's land right next to it. Let's add it right here without the skin. Mair's hot chicken recipe for your air fryer. Let's wait 30 minutes. We'll check back this chicken after 30 minutes, and we might need to just move around a little bit just to see how this guy's doing. And I'll see you after 30 minutes. Stick around. Minutes in air fryer at 300 degrees, right? Let's take a look in there. Here it is, my friend. Look at this chicken. Yummy. This is the whole breast. Look at the back side. It's all bone, you know. You don't have to flip this guy. Another breast. I just want to show you, okay? Look at this. The back side, we don't have to worry about it. The front, oh my God. It smells yummy. Let me show you the whole leg right here. You see, this is the bone, this is the meat. They are separating already. So it means our temperature, our marinade is perfect. This is the back side and this is the front side. I'm trying my best to hold it for you, you know. It's been 45 minutes. This is our delicious air-fried Mair's air-fried hot chicken, my friend, the whole recipe. Let's grab this chicken breast. Let's land it right here, and I'll put this right next to it. Brown rice, bell pepper, and the cucumber. This is it. This is it, my friend. A delicious recipe. I was telling you, you know, we will make this recipe in under 45 minutes. 45 minutes will get you this home-cooked, delicious, whole dish. Moment of truth, my friend. You want me to use the fork and knife? As a chef, let's do bare hand test, okay? Whole leg. Man, it's so hot. Once you cook the food, let it be on the room temperature at least for 15 minutes, you know. I just wanna, this is for the video only, you know. I'm touching it, I'm playing with it. I wanna show you the reality. Oh, look at this. The bone got separated by itself. It's so hot, that's why I'm using the spoon. Look at this. It's all the way cooked. This is the premium bite, and it's hot. As a born hungry guy, there you go. Wow, make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye-bye for now. This is Mair Born Hungry. I'll see you on the next one with another great recipe you can make in your house, you can make in your kitchen, you can make in your restaurant.